Today, high-precision 3D scanning technology, with its strong versatility, is gradually replacing some traditional inspection fixtures. It enables efficient and accurate full-field inspection of automotive sheet metal parts. This helps reduce the development cost of sheet metal fixtures and further shorten the development cycle for new models. In this episode, we visit an automotive sheet metal manufacturing company, Liuzhou Inruwe Vehicle Industry Co., Ltd., to see how they use high-precision 3D scanning technology in practice and understand their real-world experience. Walking into the production workshop, what comes into view are rows of industrial welding robots operating at high speed. These industrial giant hands move semi-finished sheet metal parts between different workstations, completing various process steps, and finally output a finished welded assembly. This is highly efficient. It gives us an intuitive sense of the production rhythm and efficiency demands of the automotive industry. Entering the measurement room, we see engineers using the shining 3D FreeScan Trak Nova to quickly capture 3D data of sheet metal parts. Because the FreeScan Trak Nova generates meshes in real time, it eliminates the separate meshing step that would otherwise be required. From the scanner software, engineers directly jump into the inspection software, import the CAD data, align it with the scan data, and a color map shows the deviation results at a glance. The measurements that need to be taken can also be obtained quickly. This is how the 3D inspection of this sheet metal part is completed. Using Shining 3D's high-precision 3D scanner to replace traditional fixtures, the core advantage lies in eliminating the wait for the fixture development cycle. Typically, the fixture development cycle is 1.5 to 2 months. By using high-precision 3D scanning technology, we can save that time entirely. In new model development, a critical phase where every moment counts, this dramatically improves efficiency.
其实我们这个三维这个扫描它精准度还是比较高的，相对于我们传统的一些剪具，它现在优势的话就是已经没有了这个剪具的一个开发周期，然后我们的项目进度是可以大大一个缩短的，起码能减少一个1/3的项目的一个时间。像以往像我们项目的话，像我们4支件已经出来了，但是我们剪具后都是比较滞后的。
Additionally, a high-precision 3D scanner, as a general-purpose 3D measurement tool, leverages its non-contact measurement advantage. One single device can handle a wide variety of part shapes and sizes. Traditional fixture development and manufacturing, on the other hand, require significant investment, and each fixture is designed for one specific part only. Every new part means a new round of fixture costs. In this way, adopting the new technology can also significantly reduce the company's production costs. Empowered by high-precision 3D scanning technology, Inruwe has further cut time from the inspection process and saved on some fixture costs, achieving excellent application results.
像我们剪具的一些痛点的话，像一些我们零件一些需要上面的一些检测的话，在剪具上面，如果你要达到通用性的话，你首先你要开2套的一个剪具，这个成本是非常高的。如果像我们三维扫描的话，其实正常理想状态的正反面是可以同时扫的，所以这个是一个优点。
Technology empowerment, cost reduction, and efficiency improvement, these are the core goals behind the advancement of high-precision 3D scanning technology. Shining 3D, together with its brand Shining 3D Metrology, will continue to focus on industrial 3D measurement, empowering more automotive manufacturers, and helping the industry reach new levels of quality inspection.